We are running out of time. We must hurry. Must. You must do it. What does it mean? Hello my dear friends and welcome to English Mania. My name is Antonia Romaker and today we'll focus on the modal verb must. What does it mean? When can we use it? And how? Let's get to the bottom of this. When you must do something, it means that it is necessary that you do it. It's important and necessary. You must do it. I must get some sleep. I have an important test tomorrow. So I need to be prepared. It's important. It's necessary for me to sleep. So I must get some sleep. Notice that we don't need the particle to after the verb must. We simply say must do, not must to do. You must do as I tell you. Have your mom said that like 1,000 times? You must do as I tell you. It's important, it's necessary that you do it. Don't tell anybody what I said. You must keep it a secret. It's important that you keep it a secret. It's necessary. You must keep it a secret. Don't tell anyone what I said. We haven't got much time. We must hurry. Or we'll be late. So it's important, it's necessary that we hurry. So we must hurry. We don't have much time. Must can refer to present or future, but is not usually used in the past in this meaning. Must can also be used for emphasis. I must say you look gorgeous. I must admit I wasn't looking forward to it. So I didn't want it to happen. I must admit. Must is also used to say that something is very likely, certain to be true. So you are almost 100% sure that it is true. She hasn't eaten all day. She must be hungry. So I'm almost completely sure that she is hungry. She must be hungry. Harry has been driving all day. He must be tired. He must look really cute. When you got lost in the forest, you must have been frightened. Here, notice that I talk about the past. You must have been frightened. In this meaning, when you are almost 100% sure that something is true, you can use must in the past, referring to the past. In this case, you need to use the following formula. We use must plus have plus past participle. Have plus past participle is a perfect infinitive. So we use must with a perfect infinitive of the full verb. When you got lost in the forest, you must have been very frightened. I'm almost sure you were frightened. In the past, so I say must have been frightened. Here, been is the full verb, be. So you were frightened. The party must have gone smoothly. So I'm almost sure that it went smoothly. The party must have gone smoothly. Everything was great because the hostess is happy afterwards. If you mustn't do something, it means that it is necessary that you do not do it. Mustn't. Don't do it. You mustn't do it. You must keep it a secret. You mustn't tell anyone. You mustn't tell anyone. So don't tell anyone. Mustn't or must not tell. The baby is asleep. We must be quiet. We mustn't make any noise. It's important, it's necessary that we don't make any noise. We mustn't make any noise. Hush. You mustn't worry about this too much. It's bad for your health. You mustn't worry about this so much. Okay? It's important, it's necessary that you don't worry so much about it. You mustn't worry. We'll continue talking about modal verbs, but that's it about must for today. If you have any questions, write a comment. Also, do not forget to write your own examples. It will make this lesson so much more useful. So please create your own examples. Also, do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed watching it. So like, share and subscribe if you want to continue studying English with me. And I hope to see you soon. Happy English and Russian practice. Bye!